Just for the record, bakit po may renewed interest po dito sa pag-imbestiga sa CDFs? Although ano na siya, field na siya ng controversies before, and you know, the head of FISGOC was Alan Peter Cayetano.
Well, I'm aware of that. Is the chairman of PISCOG, So hindi naman to renewed interest. It so happened na may mga lumabas kayo na dokumento which will lead us to investigate. Kasi lahat naman talaga ng issue na pumapasok dito with regards to corruption or anything, even ordinary cases, pag dinala sa amin, we will investigate. It so happens siguro na siya involved dito, no? At tayo naman, ang record naman ng NBI, we'll always go where the evidence will lead us, kung ano yung batas, kung ano yung proseso, no? So, kung sa kailangan natin siyang tanungin, we will respectfully ask him to give light to this. And I'm sure si Senator Alan, kung siya kasama rin dito, I'm sure that he will appreciate na may imbestigahan natin ito na maayos.
NBI director about the Southeast Asian Games. So if the intention was to have a chilling effect, we already have that chilling effect. May 11, hinabol dito sa session hall na to ng mga ahente ng NBI si Senator Bato. May 13, nagkaroon ng enkwentro, putukan, pinipilit ng NBI na hindi sa loob ng Senado, but we have all the evidence that it was inside the Senate. Mukha naman masama kapag kayong isang bureau head. NBI director is a very important position, but it is a bureau. So if a bureau head, and tignan yung invitation, nakalagay sa invitation, or your representative, and we resolved it. So aksidente ba na yesterday, 1 is 7. Go ahead and investigate. First of all, that's been investigated many times. COA, I'm not sure. I think the Office of the Ombudsman, ang nag-file pa ata, Chief of Staff mo. He could have not announced it and investigated. Imbestigahan mo, tingin mo may mali, imbestigahan mo. But it is unfair to me and unfair to the court that kung kailan siya patatawag siya sa Monday, intimidate mo ako, hindi kita tatanungin sa Monday dahil mag-a-announce ka na iimbestigahan mo. Tapos sasabihin mo may insertion, tapos sasabihin mo hindi liquidated po lahat yun. So let me talk of unfairness. Hindi ba unfair? Kung ako babaliktarin ko, sasabihin ko, inimbestigahan ko na rin kahapon eh. Ang sabi sa akin, mainit ang ulo ni Director Matibag kasi may contractor na daw yung binigay na lupa para sa NBI at gusto niya sarili niyang contractor. So would that be fair to him? No. It would be a marites accusation. So that's the same thing he announced yesterday. A marites accusation towards me that affects this court because I am now a senator judge. So I hope this is the last time that I'm going to have to speak about this. But definitely we've been speaking about this, binabawasan talaga kami. Iniisa-isa, even yung mga vlogger na malapit sa administrasyon, sabi 2 down, 3 down, may kasunod na. Di ba?